Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This one is in a playground. The child goes up the stairs and then like this. Slide. Her child is playing on the slide. Number 2. She can do it. Equals. She's got the to do it. Ability. She's got the ability to do it. This one is in a soccer game. If there is a penalty, the referee will blow his whistle. The H and the T are silent. Whistle. The food is good, but Bob thinks it needs a. This means just a little amount. A touch of salt. Touch is a noun here. She likes her job, but she has to do a lot of. This is working at a desk with documents, probably a pen. Paperwork. She has to do a lot of paperwork at a desk with documents. This one we have 2 ways to use it. In a play on Broadway, it's one part. And also, it could be of kindness. This is something somebody does. The first one, an act in a play on Broadway. Act 1, Act 2. And we also say an act of kindness. For example, helping somebody. We work in the industry. This means we help people go places and come home. In the travel industry. Travel is a noun here. Many people believe that it is a common. This is something people believe, like a theory that many people believe, but it's wrong. Misconception. We use this word very often with common. A common misconception. This word means movement, and we use it for liquids and things like traffic and money. The flow of something. Flow is a noun here. Do you know how to use an? This is a very old Chinese device for doing mathematics. An abacus. Do you know how to use an abacus? Bye-bye.